Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth at home for dogs. First, select about 2 pounds of chicken bones, such as backs or necks. You'll also need plenty of water and a few dog-friendly vegetables like carrots or celery. Remember to strictly avoid onions, garlic, and any added salt, as these are harmful to your canine companion. A large stock pot or slow cooker is ideal for this process. To begin, you can roast your chicken bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes to enhance the flavor, though this step is optional. Place the bones and vegetables into your pot, then cover them with 2 to 3 inches of water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for a minimum of 12 hours and up to 24 hours to extract all the beneficial nutrients. Once your broth has finished simmering, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. This is crucial to ensure all bone fragments and vegetable solids are completely removed, leaving only the liquid. Let the broth cool down to room temperature on your counter. After it's cool, transfer it to the refrigerator. Once chilled, a layer of fat will solidify on top. Skim this off for a healthier, less fatty broth. For storage, pour the cooled, skimmed broth into airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. If you want to store it longer, consider freezing individual portions in ice cube trays. These frozen cubes can last for up to 3 months. When serving, offer a small amount over your dog's regular food or as a refreshing, hydrating treat. Always introduce new foods gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.